Hi there. Today we're going to take a closer look at the LG 14 kilos top loaders tub and show you how easy it is to keep it in tip-top condition. Cleaning the tub is essential to avoid the unwanted buildup of residue and to reduce the musty smells which can result from a dirty washing machine. Unfortunately, being a busy mum, it's easy to forget to clean the tub. That's why this top loader is such a lifesaver. It has an alarm that reminds me when the tub is due for a clean. And cleaning is easy with the dedicated tub clean cycle designed to run when there are no clothes in the machine. Simply add a cleaning agent and run the tub clean cycle to remove built-up detergent and unwanted wash residue. To do this, the tub fills to a higher water level and reaches higher spin speeds, helping break down the residue and clean the tub. As a result, when performed each month, it helps maintain the tub in tip-top condition, so you can go and do the school run or whatever else you've got on while it gets to work. Another brilliant idea from LG.